Watch me for the next part. I'll give you something special and nice. Good evening, friends. Good evening, viewers. Good evening to everyone outside all there. I'm still Chef Steve, the one you know. Alright, today I'm about to make vegetable noodles. This is my cabbage, this is my red capsicum, this is my yellow capsicum, this is my green capsicum, this is my red bell pepper, this is my onions, and this is my already boiled noodles. Boil it just like the way you boil your rice, and then you strain it and keep it. You can use it. I'm making it a la carte very fast. So this is my onions, the carrot, which I cut in this system, and this is my scallion. This is the onions, also the white onions, and this is my butter, spring onions. This is my butter. This is my butter. Put my butter. Come here. Put my onions. Put my onions. I like to stir a little bit. Just a bit cook. Pour your cabbage. Pour your spring onion. Yellow capsicum, green capsicum, and red bell pepper. Put my carrot. Put everything all once. Put a little salt. And stir it. Stir. Don't need to allow it. Don't need to overcook because it's vegetable, so you need it to be fresh. It's supposed to be fresh. When you toast it a little, put your oil. Reduce your heat. Reduce your heat. It's time for me to put my noodles. This is my noodles. This is my Chinese noodles. Mix it very well. Mix very well. Please slow your heat to put my white pepper, with my salt, with my stock. Put a little bit of little sugar, not much. It's little. You enjoy it. It's my light soya sauce. Very beautiful. Really enjoy the nice, simple food. Light and dark. Don't take much of your time. I garnish it a little. You see, our video is almost getting ready. Something you eat. Make it very fast and it doesn't take much time. Make sure everything mixes proper. So everything mixes very well. Very nice. You enjoy it. I'm telling you, very good to go. Really enjoy the nice, simple food. Doesn't take much of your time. And watch me for the next part. I'll give you something special and nice.